Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we have an exciting product to talk about. The 8 Sheets Maple Leaf Nail Art Stickers Decals. If you're looking for the best leaf nail art in the market, look no further, because we've got you covered. This set of 3D self-adhesive fall nail stickers features holographic laser maple leaf designs, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your nails. With 8 sheets of stickers to choose from, you'll have plenty of options to create stunning nail art. The special nail designs of these stickers make them stand out from the rest. Each pattern is unique, creative, and perfect for sparking inspiration in every designer. Whether you prefer a subtle look or something more bold, these stickers offer versatility in nail art. Using these nail stickers is a breeze. They are self-adhesive and require no glue. Simply use tweezers to peel off the stickers and apply them to your nails. For longer-lasting results, you can seal them with a top coat. These nail stickers make a perfect gift for your loved ones, whether it's your wife, girlfriend, mother, or friends. Each sheet comes in an exquisite package, making it ideal for home use or nail salons. In conclusion, the 8 Sheets Maple Leaf Nail Art Stickers Decals are a must-have for anyone who loves nail art. With their unique designs, easy application, and versatility, they are sure to elevate your manicure game. So, give these stickers a try and let your creativity shine. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.